Hello and welcome to the Setting Up Notifications video. This video will show you how to create notifications to external customers and internal staff. These notifications can be triggered when an action is taken. For example, a job has been ticked as complete. Click could automatically send an email and or an internal message to a member of staff who needs to know it's complete. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Settings, Communication and Notifications. You may already see a list of notifications in here. However, we're going to create a new one by selecting Add. The first thing you need to do is filter the modules, and the module we need is the job module. You also need to enter a notification title. In this case, it's going to be Jobs Completed for A1 Design Services. Once you're happy with that title, just click on Next. Now it's time to create the notification. First, we select the trigger property, and this is what triggers the notification. In this case, we're going to select a yes/no field that has the complete tick box. However, you can choose any property that you want a notification, including user-definable fields. So let's get started. So we're going to click on the magnifying glass, we're going to go to yes/no fields, and we're going to click complete, and we're going to click OK. Now we need to change this bit here has changed to the equal sign and make sure it says yes. So complete equals yes. The next thing we can do is add a condition. You don't have to do this, but in this case we want to add a condition that is only going to be sending this particular notification for jobs that are complete for A1 Design Services. So we're going to click on Add Condition. We're going to go to Condition in the magnifying glass here, and we're going to go to the Lookup fields, and we're going to click on Customer, and we're going to click OK. Next, we need to select our customer, and to do this, we click on the orange folder, and we find A1 Design Services, and click Close and Use. We now have our trigger notification in place. Now we're going to click on Next, and we're going to choose the action. So what we need to do is say, okay, what are we going to send? Are we going to send an email, internal message, Microsoft Teams, or a text message? In this case, we're going to send an email. So we're going to click on Add New Action, and we're going to click on Email. You can click on Add New Action again, and you could select internal as well if you wanted to. So we're going to go across here, and we can see that the notification is ticked as enabled. We could untick this for now if we want to, so we can just double check we've got everything okay before we enable those notifications to start going to the customer and to our staff member. In this case, I'm going to keep it ticked. So we're going to click on Configure, and we're going to start adding recipients that are going to receive this particular notification. So we're going to click on Add Recipient, and I'm going to go to Individual, and I'm going to select Responsible Contact, and I'm going to go to Contact Lookup, and I'm going to go to Job Contact, and we're going to click on Close. So the responsible contact will be the staff member, and the job contact will be whoever is the job contact on the job sheet, which is usually a customer contact. Next, we're going to fill in the subject line, and we're going to just type in job number has been completed. But we also need to put the actual job number in. So this is where we're going to insert a tag. So what you need to do is you need to go to Insert Tags, go to Number Fields, and go to Job Number. Once you're happy with that, click on OK. Next, I'm going to fill in the rest of the subject that will say Job Number has been completed. Now in the From field, I'm going to put one of my shared accounts in, which is training@clicksoftware.com. So it shows that it's coming from training@clicksoftware.com. Once you're happy with that, you could decide what template you wish to send every time this notification is populated. So I'm going to click on my little PDF icon here. I'm then going to select a job template by selecting in here and finding job. And I'm going to select Engineer Job Sheet and click on OK. So that job sheet will get populated on the email every time the notification is actioned. If you have ClickCert, you can include a PDF of a certificate if it's attached to the job by ticking this box here. In the body of the email, I just want to put the following. Hi job contact, attached is your job sheet that is now complete. Your reference is, and again I'm going to go to insert tag, kind regards, and then that will be it for the message. So as you can see, the tags we've used is hi, address contact dot first name, so that's the job contact's first name, attached is your job sheet that is now complete, your references, and that's an order reference that will be on your job sheet, and then kind regards. Once you're happy with the message, just click on OK and then click on Finish. To save it, just click on OK at the bottom here and you'll come out of the notification screen. That's it for notifications. Thanks for listening.